Spod, short for print on demand, is an e-commerce business model that allows you to create and sell custom products without holding any inventory. It involves designing and printing items like shirts, mugs, phone cases, and other merchandise as per the customer's requirements. When an order comes in, you print and ship the product directly to the customer. Here's a step-by-step guide to making money online with Spod in 2024. 1. Choose a niche. Identify a market segment that interests you, such as pop culture, sports, art, or humor. This will help you create designs that resonate with your target audience. 2. Design your products. Create unique and eye-catching designs using graphic design software like Adobe Illustrator, Canva, or other free online tools. Make sure your designs are high quality and appealing to your chosen niche. 3. Select a print-on-demand platform. There are numerous Spod platforms available, such as Printful, Guten, or Spod.com. Research and choose one that suits your needs and budget. 4. Integrate your store. Connect your chosen Spod platform with your online store, be it Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, or any other e-commerce platform. 5. Set up your online store. Create an attractive and user-friendly online store where customers can browse and purchase your custom products. 6. Promote your store. Utilize social media, influencer marketing, paid ads, and other marketing strategies to drive traffic to your online store and increase sales. 7. Optimize your listings. Use relevant keywords, high-quality product images, and detailed descriptions to improve your product listings' search engine rankings and conversion rates. 8. Monitor and analyze your sales. Regularly review your sales data to identify trends, best-selling products, and areas for improvement. 9. Expand your product range. Based on customer feedback and sales data, add new products or variations to your offerings to cater to your audience's evolving preferences. 10. Provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to customer inquiries, process orders efficiently, and ensure timely delivery to maintain a positive reputation and encourage repeat business. By following these steps, you can establish a successful print-on-demand business in 2024 and make money online with Spod. Remember, consistency, patience, and continuous improvement are key to growing your business in the long run.